Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential guide on how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch. Whether you're looking to fix software issues, prepare your console for sale, or simply start fresh, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing system settings. The first step is to power on your Nintendo Switch and ensure it's connected to a stable internet connection. From the home screen, navigate to the System Settings icon. It looks like a gear cog. Step 2. Initiating the factory reset. Once in System Settings, scroll down to find System on the left-hand menu. Select System, and then scroll to the bottom to locate formatting options. Step 3. Confirming the reset. Under Formatting Options, choose Initialize Console. Here, you'll have two options: Initialize Console or Initialize Console and delete saved data. Step 4. Complete the reset. After selecting your preferred reset option, the Switch will prompt you to confirm your decision. Review the warning message carefully, as this process will erase all user data and restore the console to its factory settings. Step 5. Finalizing the reset. If you're sure about resetting your Nintendo Switch, select Initialize to proceed. The console will then begin the reset process, which may take a few minutes to complete. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Nintendo Switch is now reset to its factory settings, ready for a fresh start. Remember, this process wipes all data from the console, so be sure to back up any important saves or data beforehand. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.